abandoned petrol station. Gotta be careful with this service station. Gotta be careful with these torches on the road. Old computers, look. Where's this brick? Don't think you can really see that. But there's a hole in the floor for the ramps. The ceiling's falling down. Someone's set a fire in here again. Compressor. Look at these old ramps. It's tiny, isn't it? And it's small. Show you the pumps outside in a minute, guys. Even the old air compressor gun's still here. Not sure what this contraption is. Looks like it was out of this oil drum. It's quite eerie out here though. Took you long enough?
Anything?
Yeah. Watch the holes in the floor. Trashed.
Who paid the most on the petrol last?
This one says 82 quid.
82,000. What's this one say? £3.43.
Look at this, guys. Just left.
You was handling, you know what I mean?
I know.
Them who's in pieces they are, they're not old. They're older than me and you. Something like that, the car's been past.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's showing 30 minutes.
Whole back of the shop. And what this is. Yeah, old Teddy must have been sold in here at one time.
Yeah, you done with them?
Look at this.
Keep that there. I'll get there. What's that do? Look at that. Ah, the head's broke.
Oh, there it
You
is.
know it? £7.99. Nothing. Yeah. I know, I see it.